Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. One that's the normally say shall never end. See, about this Nigeria protest when it happened for all over since August 1st to 10th. That is what they said. That is the agreement. But believe me, I no understand something. Time without number, these people will say that police is your friend. These people will say that the youth are the leaders of tomorrow. These people will say that education is the key. But do you know that all these things I just mentioned and many more, they use them till they brainwash our people? There is nothing like that. But something they surprise me anytime the Nigeria youth gash up themselves, they go say they want go protest, say they want to shut down everywhere, they are this, they are that, they want to say no to bad government. At the end of the day, they will turn everything around. The government will be the one saying no to the youth. Why I talk like this be say a lot of time when they call for this protest, a lot of them are hungry, a lot of them they are coming in different motive, different motion, different character, different weapon that they carry. They go come in the name say they want to say no to bad government, but rather not to thief. Anywhere they see water they go carry, anywhere they see food they go carry, anything they see they go pick. Come on, the world they watch wetin una they do to show say una no even mean business. It's just like you people are putting this protest for a selfish gain. Yes, una they put am for selfish gain, because if una really ready for protest, no be to go carry water na go be una priority, no be to go carry food, to go steal, to break stores na go be una priority. See, we are giving it up to Simon Ekpa this day, because how we say e no call for sit at home, you for no waiting for happen for southeastern part of Nigeria, but because they call for sit at home and a lot of people obey the voice of the Biafra Prime Minister, now make you see say people they say southeast is very peaceful, they value Tinubu, they are supporting the government of Tinubu, now make them not come out call protest. Me show no brother sister, you don't know what you they talk. The thing be say the people where they for southeast don't make up their mind say they no wan be part of protest, because protest or no protest so e no dey help. The situation remain the same. Now make the people of southeastern part of Nigeria come talk say no, they no wan join for any illegal thing when e no ripe. Wetin they need, they want freedom, they want to say yes to Biafra, they want the government to share or make everybody go their separate way. Now be their priority. Una know say time without number this type of thing don't happen. If it happen for Abuja, people go scot free. If it happen for Lagos, they go protest, nothing go happen. But if the people when e dey for southeastern part of Nigeria rise up say oh they want protest, before you see they don't download them. So for this, people when they for southeast, they are now wise to say the best thing for them to do is to ask of saying the country should be divided, make everybody go their separate way. And being that they not come out, the people now they are not saying oh southeastern part of Nigeria that supported Tinubu na lie o. The Biafra Prime Minister Simon Ekpa don't make am clear say that day na sit at home, they no wan be part of anything when Nigeria they do again. I think say as they no see people for southeastern part of Nigeria where they protest, they suppose don't conclude, they suppose don't come to their senses say these people they really mean business this time. So now one of the reason when I say we are giving it up to Simon Ekpa, he really tried, because that sit at home change a lot of things. That sit at home made people to understand and see the readiness of the Biafra restoration. I still want say me relate it to some people when they talk one or two things about wetin dey happen. In fact, one Igbo woman wetin they do am for Lagos go shock you, but a lot of people not dey surprised, because they tell am say why you yourself come out for your state go another state go protest when e be say protest not hold for inside your state. Make I not talk too much. Also, one of our Yoruba sister can hit the nail. He talk am as e dey be, because this one na true. Na only wait till the southeastern part of Nigeria go do, na im dey go hear. But time without number, they use the Yorubas to do a lot of things. May not be saying my mouth to go hear am. May you hear a lot and drop your opinion in the comment section. And I'll be right back.
Nothing happened. This was a peaceful demonstration. Only for us to get to this place where the boys were telling us, what do you come to do here? You, Omo Igbo, you came to Yoruba land to do this. He was threatening me. Even if I'm a Omo Igbo, am I not in Nigeria? Am I not in Nigeria? Even if I'm Omo Igbo. Is that a threat? There is not any security personnel there around us. None of them is here. They are far back behind us here. They are here. We've not seen any of the security personnel. So they want this to happen before they will now come. They will now say they had bad government people. They've started in Ojota. Is that what they want? That is why we want to go to the commissioner of police here and tell him, if you are here to protect us, you will not stay back. And let us be threatened by the state unions, the state sponsored us, that is threatening us. He's threatening life. He said, Omo Igbo, kilo wa se nibi bayi, Omo to no gbogbo yin leyo koko. My name is Fumi Jolade Ajayi, and even though if I'm Omo Igbo, am I not a Nigerian? Am I not a taxpayer? When does it become a crime to protest in Nigeria? Forget about your religion. Forget about ethnicity. Forget about tribalism. We are all Nigeria. Injury to one is injury to all.
Yoruba people, they are one of the weakest links in Nigeria. Hear me out. As wildly read, as wildly exposed, enlightened, entertaining, wildly traveled, as wildly everything as the Yoruba people are, they're one of the most gullible people in Nigeria. Yes, I'm a Yoruba and I know what I'm saying. We are one of the weakest links in this country. Yeah. So please, before one person will come and say, so if you're not going to listen to what I have to say, move. This post is not for you, okay? The reason why I said what I said is because I have not seen in any time where they say something major is about to happen in Nigeria and the tribe to go to cause chaos is not the Yorubas. Yes, I understand that the Hausas too are gullible, but I'm not going to talk about them because I'm not a Northerner. I'm going to talk about the Yorubas because I'm one and I see firsthand what they do. If there's going to be any major thing in Nigeria, the people they always go to cause chaos are the Yorubas. Why? I don't think I've seen any Igbo person being bribed to cause chaos against his own people. I don't think so. But see the government bribing the Yorubas to come and cause chaos up and down. The mumus them. They too, they're carrying placards saying all sort of nonsense. Imagine the nerve of them now using tradition to come and do their nonsense job for them. Saying Oro has to come out. Oro. Really? Today I saw some traditionalists in Ikorodu saying they are against the protest. The money they've given you, yes, that poverty that is smelling, that is knocking you and your lineage down. The money they are bribing you with, will it erase the poverty? That's what you should ask. If you want to come bribe me, be ready to give me a ministerial appointment. If not, we are not talking. 100,000 naira owó tẹ́ rí láyé yín wọ́n ní pé kẹ́ fi dá wàhálà lẹ̀ nígbà bá wá 100,000 kí ló tún wá kù ẹ̀yin òpònú aláìní ròrí ẹ gbowó tán ẹ ná lẹ́yìn yẹn náà ńkọ́ inú ìyàkọ́lẹ̀ tún padà sí ni. If then instead of you to sit and fight for what is right, you are there letting them bribe you with a bag of rice that you will finish in no time. Ẹ̀yin ojú ọ̀rọ̀ lárí ọmọ tí ò yẹ kó gbé sórí bẹ́ẹ̀dì ẹ̀yin ọmọ lẹ́lẹ̀ ẹ̀yin aláìlójútì. They will not tell you go and cause chaos. You will not ask questions. Imagine that Sade Tinubu coming to the market and telling you people to tell your children not to protest. How many people would they arrest? Tell me. How many people would they arrest? At most, they will lock the market. After that, they will open it. She had the guts to call you people together and be telling you to tell your children not to protest against their father. ẹ̀yin Yorùbá ẹ jókòó kẹ́ ronú orí yín ò pé. And like I said, if anybody comes for me asking me and telling me ọmọ àlè ni what àwọn ẹbí ẹ, you will only have a problem with my post if you are guilty. If your family is guilty, your father is in politics and is doing rubbish, your mother is there chopping money, even you are there, you are chopping money, you are the only person that will have problem with this post. But if anybody comes for me and tell me ọmọ àlè ni ìran ọmọ àlè ni, ẹ̀yin Yorùbá aláìlójú tí ó ṣì yìí, you're stronger than you know.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.